Good morning, class. Welcome to your online session. Today we are going to start with chapter number 2, regional and Roman numerals. So, before starting up with the chapter, let us have a revision of few things. So, in your junior classes, you have learned numbers. Numbers starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. These are your numbers. So in during Roman Empire we write these numbers in the form of symbols. Okay. So in this chapter we are going to learn how we are going to write numbers in the form of symbols, in the form of alphabets. Like in India there are various states. There would be उत्तर प्रदेश, पंजाब, हरियाणा, Jammu and Kashmir, Tamil Nadu. Different places have different languages. So in the same way, Roman Empire was there, which operates the language which is known as Roman language. And here we are going to learn how we are going to represent these numbers in the form of letters. So in during Roman Empire there are mostly three letters which were used: I, V, and X. With the help of these three symbols, we are going to learn the Roman numbers from 1 to 50, right? And Roman numbers has two features also. The first feature is there is no value for 0. In Roman numerals, it is not defined how to write 0. In our own Hindu Arabic system, we know how to write 0, but in Roman numbers, they have never developed how to write 0. Second feature is no place value system. In India, we have place value system starting from ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. But here in Roman numerals there is no place value system. So here we are going to see the arrangement of alphabets in the form of digits. So before starting up with the chapter in detail, let us learn few rules in Roman numerals. The first is repetition rule. The symbol of I, X and C can be repeated to maximum of 3 times and its value is added. For example, there are alphabets I means 1 plus 1, 2 in Hindu Arabic system. Then you have I. 1 plus 1 plus 1 will give you 3. Then X, X. X, X means 10. 10 plus 10 will give you 20. X, X, X. X is equal to 10. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 will give you 30. We cannot write 4 X's together. We can write I, X, V maximum 3 times, not more than that. Then we have C, C. C represents 100 plus 100, that is 200. C, C, C. 100 plus 100 plus 100, 300. M, M. M represent 1000. 1000 plus 1000, 2000. Then you have M. M stands for 1000, 1000, 1000. So 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000 will give you 3000. Then the important point to note, symbol V, L and D are not repeated. We can repeat I, we can repeat X, we can repeat C, we can repeat M, but we cannot repeat V, L and D. Then we have the second rule, addition. When a symbol of lower value I, V, X, C are placed on the right side of a symbol of higher value, then its value is added. For example, here the Roman number is VI. V is 5 and I means 1. So 5 plus 1. So in that case we are going to add. जब भी रोमन सिंबल, फर्स्ट रोमन सिंबल आपका V है, सेकेंड क्या है, 6 है। पहला सिंबल बड़ा है, दूसरा सिंबल छोटा होता है बाद वाला, तो हम एडिशन परफॉर्म करते हैं। 5 + 1 6. Here also VII. So V means 5, I means 1, I means 1. So 5 + 1 + 1 will be equal to 7. Here also the symbol X is 10 and here I. So 10 + 1 will give you 11. This is how rule number 2 takes place. Then in the case of subtraction, when a symbol of lower value is placed on the left of the symbol of higher value, then its value is subtracted. For example, the first part is I and V. I means 1, V means 5. So 1 is smaller than 5. So in that case what we are going to do? We are going to subtract. तो कैसे subtract करेंगे? 5 minus 1 will give you 4. The second example is I X. I means 1, X means 10. सो आई लेफ्ट साइड में जो सिंबल है वो छोटा है, राइट साइड में जो सिंबल है वो बड़ा है. सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू? वी आर गोइंग टू सब्ट्रैक्ट. 10 minus 1 will give you 9. Then we have XL. So X is 10, L is 50. So 50 minus 10 will give you 40. This is how you are going to do. Using these rules, number can be represented in Roman numerals. Rule number 4. When I, X, C is written between two numerals of higher value, it is subtracted from the number on its right. For example, X, I, V, right? So X is greater, X means 10 which is greater, I means 1 which is smaller, here number is V means 5. So 10 plus 5 minus 1, okay? So 10 bracket 5 minus 1 will give you 14. Then how to write this number in Indo-Arabic system? X means 10, 1, 10. So 10 plus 10 minus 1 will give you 19. So this is 19. So in this video we have learned the rules of Roman numerals.